We have a high mileage Honda Odyssey here. They were pretty bad. As you can see, they were really yellow, hazy. I think somebody tried something in the past on these lights. They were cloudy, and a lot of stuff came off them. But we took care of business, and this is the final product. Look at that. Look at that. They look brand new. Look at that. If you're in South Florida, Miami-Dade County, Broward County, Palm Beach County, give us a call, text us your pictures, 754-302-0769. We come to your home, work, office, 754-302-0769.